history. We are with Fredrik Axelsson and Claudio. Aquí está para mandarte un saludo. Fredrik, come on.
Oh, hello, Claudio. Hope you're well. I understand you're living far
Patagonia?
away. Yeah, Patagonia. Yeah. We are here for competition, and I'm glad you have a bobcat.
Yeah, so his page is Patagonia Airguns. So if you want to say something to his page, it's pretty good.
All right. Yeah, I hope you're doing well with that page. Yeah, what's the name of the page?
Patagonia Airguns.
Patagonia Airguns. I hope. Yeah, that seems to be very interesting. I'm gonna have a look at that one as well.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Fred, and see you in the match.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.